In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your account type on Instagram. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you have switched over to, say, the business account by accident, and you want to switch back to a personal account, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to your Instagram. Once you have opened it up, what you'll need to do from here is click on your profile picture. Once you click on your profile picture, you can then go over to the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three lines, as you can see, there is an option there down at the bottom for settings. If you click on the settings tab, that will open up this option here. And from here, you will need to select account. Once you select account, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom where you will see an option for switch account type. If you click on that, you will get an option to switch to business account, but I am already on a business account here. So what you can do is switch to personal account, and then once you click on that, as you can see, you'll get this little pop-up here which will say switch to personal account. All you need to do is click on that, and then as you can see, I have now been switched to a personal account on Instagram. So let's say you can go ahead and switch account types on Instagram.